Are you looking for the best stud finders in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best stud finders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Franklin Sensors ProSensor 710 Professional Stud Finder. We think the electronic Franklin Sensors ProSensor 710 Precision is the best stud finder because it gives you an accurate and detailed look into your walls. Its 13 sensors simultaneously look behind the walls. It can also be used to find joists underneath the flooring to pinpoint the location of wooden studs and metal objects, such as pipes, easily and accurately. One of the standout features of the ProSensor 710 is its effortless usability. There's no calibration required. Unlike some wall stud finders, this one is ready to go right away. It also shows you the edge and center of the stud simultaneously, which takes a lot of work out of the whole process. Up next in the 4th place is the Craftsman 3/4-inch depth stud finder. This reasonably priced stud finder is nothing fancy, but if you just need a simple stud finder to detect wood and metal studs, not electrical wiring or pipes, then this is a good addition to your toolbox. We found it very easy to calibrate. Just hold the button down until the red light goes off, and easy to use as well. Unlike more premium stud finders, this one does not locate the center of a stud itself. That means you need to locate the edges yourself, which is a time-consuming process. Even though it's more than half the price of the Franklin Sensors ProSensor 710 Professional Stud Finder, our best overall pick, it's just as accurate. We found the process to be easy in practice, but this model does struggle a bit with paneling and plaster. The 3rd product on our list is the Zircon MetalliScanner M40. In our tests, this stud finder found everything it was supposed to, including wood and metal studs, copper pipes, and nails. It had no problems detecting objects behind our drywall, plaster, and paneled test wall, but it wasn't able to detect live wires. It has an impressive depth scan of up to 4 inches deep for magnetic materials and 2 inches for non-magnetic objects. We appreciated how easy this stud finder is to use. Its coil lights up in red as it gets close to the hidden stud or metal pipe, and then switches to blue light when it's right over the object being scanned. Not only that, but there's an audible tone when the device detects metal. Plus, it's comfortable to hold. Second on our list is the Hanson's 0304s and magnetic stud finder. Magnetic stud finders are an older type of stud finder, but they can still be effective. Using a powerful rare earth magnet, the Hanson's 0304s locates ferrous nails and screws that hold drywall to studs and studs to other parts of the frame. It doesn't sense studs directly, but we found that it does provide a good idea of where studs are behind the wall. We like that there's no need to calibrate this tool and no batteries to install, so it's always ready to go. We found it to be very accurate for finding wood or metal studs based on the nails and screws within them. But be aware that magnetic stud finders like this one will not detect copper pipes, other non-magnetic materials, or live wires. Finally, the top product on our list is the Franklin Sensors ProSensor M40 Professional Stud Finder. With 9 sensors, this device had no problem detecting wood and metal studs and metal pipes behind most common wall materials. In our lab tests, it worked equally well through plaster, drywall, and paneling. Depending on the surface materials, this tool's depth detection is between 1 and 1.5 inches, and it's always in deep scan mode. The sensor lights trigger as the tool moves over a hidden stud. Generally, 2 of the lights come on as the tool meets the stud's edge, and 3 lights hold steady once the stud sensor is over the center of the stud. That makes it easy to find the full width of the stud. We did find that it was best to move this stud finder fairly slowly along the wall, as overly fast passes make it a little more difficult to pinpoint the full width of the stud. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.